Hi, welcome to part 3 of most common English words that are used. We are still looking at nouns in this section, and nouns are words that refer to people, places, or things. I have added some pictures to help you understand the meaning of the words that we will be discussing. First, we have land. Land is the solid earth surface. So this is water, it's not land. This will be land. So the land is where we can walk. Next one is animal. Animal refers to either this one, or this one. So I can see 5 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These animals are different. They are not the same. So therefore, we group them together and we say they are animals. But each of them have their own names to be specific. We then have boy. So boy is a young male of the human species. Next we have home. Home is a place where you live with your family and other people. So for example, in some homes we have a father, a mother, and kids. In some homes we only have a father and a mother. So therefore, home is where your family is. Then we have a house. A house is a building where you can live or sleep and be in. This will be a house. Houses come in various different sizes. Not all of them look the same. Next we have farm. On a farm, we have very wide open spaces where you can grow some plants or have some animals that you can use to sell for money. And these are just some examples of the animals that you can see on a farm. Then we have hand, and each of us usually has 2 hands. So hand is this. Next we have page. So referring to my drawing from earlier, this is a page, this is a drawing. 2 different things. We have letter. Letter refers to one letter, but we have many letters here, letters with an S. So letters are the building blocks used to make the language understandable. So here we have G, H, I, J, K, and L. These are all letters. The other letter that we refer to in English is when we write a letter. So for example, if I use my pencil and my paper to write something to a friend. Next we have point. Pointing is when you use your hand to indicate to something that you want to put focus on. Then we have mother. Mother is a woman or a female who has children, so small humans. I really hope this section helped you to understand a bit more about the English language. Enjoy your day.